with my sister and we'll be making slime. We have already made slime. Like, we just made it before. This is my one. It's fluffy slime. I went for a blue texture. It's a little bit sticky, but I'm just going to let it set overnight. And Lily's has to sit overnight because it's got all shaving cream in it. Because it's not really slime. But hopefully the shaving cream will fix it. So I'm just going to...
I can't wait to play with it tomorrow.
But this one is going to be better because we actually know how to
Yeah,
do it.
We're going to be making white slime.
So anyway, first we'll grab your glue.
Okay. Glue.
I'm gonna pour mine in first this time. So I'm not gonna make a lot because I want to make a lot of batches today. And then I'm gonna pour yours in.
I can't wait to play with that slime.
This one you might be able to play with like straight away.
I like this slime.
Next slime we're going to be making is going to be a really big one. So we're both going to make slime and we're going to combine it together.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah.
Wait, we're going to put our slime together?
Yeah.
What about, can I put it in, please?
I'm going to be making blue slime and I'm going to be making, so when we combine them together, I'm going to be making white slime and Lily's going to be making blue slime. And then we're going to combine it together and see how it goes. So grab, if you can't see, our spatulas, tools are a little bit bluey.
Yeah.
But it doesn't matter. Let's just go.
Yeah. I can't do it.
So this time we're actually not making food colouring. We're just making slime.
Yeah, that's not
Which
white.
will be good. Okay.
I just said that won't be white.
You idiot.
Okay.
I'm going to already add the borax in. So we can, this is going to be a quicker version of it. So now stir. Because
Actually, my arms are getting tired.
no, they shouldn't be.
Yes, they are. They're
Okay, but mine's already slime. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Mine's already really technically slime. I just need to add some lotion in. Are you ready? What are you doing? So
my arms are tired.
this video is really about teaching Lily how to make slime.
Yep.
So now stir in the lotion.
Look, and if you know, look at my hands.
Oh, yeah, our hands are blue.
Yeah.
Anyway, well, stir in your slime.
My slime is
So with the borax, we just got borax from Coles.
Yeah.
And then the shaving cream, it can really be any shaving cream. Like, if you want, you can just use your dad's shaving cream. Next, we're adding soap in.
Yep.
Uh-oh, my t-shirt's got slime on it. Now stir that in.
What does the soap do?
I don't really know. It just
It makes it smell?
I think it makes it smell nice because slime stinks like so much.
Yeah. No.
It needs more shaving cream in it.
Do I need more shaving?
Feel yours. What does it feel like? Describe it to me. So
feel it.
Wait. So with this fluffy slime, obviously shaving cream is optional. If you want fluffy slime, you have to use shaving cream, or else it won't be fluffy slime. It'll just be normal slime. What's it called? Still. Oh. There we go.
I got my spoon.
I'm just gonna add some borax in there because borax always helps it with the activating. So.
Good. My arms are getting tired.
Okay, obviously if you can't tell, it's really sticky.
Look at mine.
Well, it doesn't matter. Like, I don't know how to fix the stickiness, so... No, I'm not going to eat it. I'm an idiot.
You are going to eat it.
My hands are popping. Okay, anyway. I'll be back, Lily. Keep fixing your hands. I'm just going to go wash my hands.
Look at, I'll show yours. Here's this sticky. Hey guys, well, my sister's gone, so I guess it's just me in the video now. Hello, hello, this is me, Ashi. Hello, this is my head. Oh, Ashy. Let me give myself a hug.
I'm back. Okay, so now my hands are all, they're very sticky, so I'm just going to wipe them. Okay, so now I know not to pick it up yet, because it's obviously still sticky. So what's this? This is my special ingredient that you add if it's sticky. Well, we can't show them the special ingredient. Don't tell them what it is. Special ingredient. So
yeah, it's special ingredient.
So I don't really know who else knows this special ingredient, but I definitely know I do. And it's something to help. Well, get in the video. It's something to help it like with the stickiness, or if you don't, because you don't know the special ingredient, borax. And you.
Borax is the special ingredient.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not, guys. It's one of the special ingredients, but it's an ingredient that I'll show you guys, but the other one's like too special, I guess. Oh my god, mine's actually slime.
Oh my! I can't do it fast. My arms are getting tired,
Okay.
You know my arms would be tired. How's it going to be coming out? Now we're
I'm gonna have to add the special ingredient in though, because yours looks very sticky.
Thank you. Can I touch it?
No, not yet.
I just touched.
And okay, none of you guys saw it.
I can see it. Only me and Ashley know.
It squirted everywhere, guys. Okay, anyway, so I'm just gonna keep doing that. I'm putting mine on the plate like right now.
Subscribe to this video in 1, 2. When I count to 3, smack that like button. 1, 2, 3. Smack that like button right
You
now.
guys should have smacked it. She's gonna get mad.
Smack that right now. Can I touch it?
Okay,
I just touched it.
is it sticky? What are you doing, Lil? You're supposed to be blending it in.
Oh.
That no one else knows about the special ingredient, so we have to blend it in together.
Yay.
So, the special ingredient, like, it's not something you have to buy.
I have to.
It's something, like, you will have at your home, I guess.
I'll just go wash my hands. You do it all by yourself.
It's not really, I don't really like it. I don't like it with no food coloring. It looks so plain, like, look at that. Okay. Uh-oh.
What?
Mine's actually got a little bit of blue food coloring.
It's okay.
Like, it's not even, like, full the whole entire thing. Just a little bit, so that's fine. That actually looks so cool.
I want to touch my slime. I touch my slime. Looks good. Now I can touch. Oh, I can play with. Mine's got a little too.
It looks so cool with it in.
Yeah. Can I touch it?
Yeah.
Guys, look at
So, I think that's the end of the video for today. Make sure to subscribe, like, and you'll see this slime in it
tomorrow.
other videos. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I love this slime so much. And Amelia's about to come into the background of me filming the video. This is my cousin. Make sure you subscribe to her channel.
This isn't even done.
I know.
Can I touch yours? No, put it on the plate, you dumb.
Mine's done. I just need to knead it through because it's like still sticky. So that's the end of the video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.
Borax in the